Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're returning back to my channel, what's up? Today is your first time turning to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. And if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe before you leave and turn notification bell on, so with that you'll be informed when I have a video on my channel. So with that being said, as you can see, I've not do anything to my face except my brow. My brow can be a little bit tricky sometimes, so that I decide to do it off camera to save the time for this video. So all the products I use, guys, is going to be listed in the description box. Please do go and check it out. So guys, today's topic is going to be happy with what you have and where you are right now. So the first thing I'm going to be talking about, you just have to draw a plan and work towards your dream and focus on what you want to be without doing any competition with anybody. Just stick to what you do and what you want and be happy with what you do. You shouldn't do it because you want to impress anybody or you want to be a better person in the society. Of course you want to be a better person, but you just have to work towards it and be happy on what you want to be in the future, for your children or for your just for the future, right? And the next thing I'm going to be talking about is also work towards your dream, like I just said. And you shouldn't let anybody to underrate and underestimate you, because you can do it yourself. Why shouldn't wait for somebody to sort you out? Of course, each and every one of us, sometimes we need help from other people to be informed, to be inspired, to be motivated. But the first motivation you need is to love what you do and know what you want, and you don't want to be in a competition with anybody. And just pray towards your dreams, what you want to become, and trust me, it's going to take the grace of God. The grace of God is going to lead you to your destination, to your dreams to come true. Trust me, God is not going to come from heaven to help you. God just help some people which they work hard. When you work hard, God is going to give you more strength to work hard to get to the place He wants you to be. God wants all of us to work hard to be in the place we want to be, right? And you shouldn't compliment other people and let yourself down when you know you can also be in those people position. Be happy in where you are now and be thankful you are not at the place you used to be last year, 6 months ago, 10 years ago, or whatever. Just be happy, because there are a lot of people are praying to be in your position, and while you are praying to be in other high position. No, life doesn't work that way. You just have to stick to your area, stick to your comfort zone. Definitely you have to work hard. You have to work hard. Trust me, you are going to get to the place, but it takes the grace of God to be in that place you want to be. And number one thing, you shouldn't let God out of your sight when you want to achieve something. You shouldn't let God out of your sight. Let God be the number one person in your dream, in your plan that you draw. Because when you pray to God every now and then, trust me, you are going to have that kind of confidence and have the faith in God that definitely I want this and I will get it, and pray towards it. And you shouldn't do what you don't supposed to do because you just want to achieve something. At the end of the day, you are not going to be happy. So you should just focus on yourself. Let that focus be in you, and you are the number one enemy of yourself. When you tell yourself you can do it, you can do it. But when you tell yourself you can, it's too hard. Trust me, you are not going nowhere. You go nowhere. You're going to be there. Every now and then, every year that goes by, that comes, we always want to be in another level. Of course, we just want to move forward. We want to achieve something. Achieving something don't mean you have to look down on yourself, and you have to neglect some certain things you really have to focus on, and you want to be out there 247. You want to make it. Yes, you know, life doesn't work that way. Like I just said, just be happy, because you haven't been in the place you want to be this year. it doesn't make you less nobody. It doesn't have you does I don't know how to pronounce it. You want to be in a place this year and you have not achieved it. You shouldn't look down on yourself. You shouldn't feel less about your hard work. You work hard, yes. God created us differently, but He loves us equally. So every key to success God has given to us right from the day we are born to this earth. So you just have to work towards it and wait for the time to come. Wait is the best, but you have to act. Don't be in a haste to get there, but be in a haste to grab your dreams when it comes. Okay? And one more thing I have to also say is that know the kind of people you move with. Okay, just know the kind of people you move with people you know they have make it, they're happy with themselves, and don't move with people that make competition with you have not make it. Just move with people that is going to inspire you, that is going to motivate you to work towards your dream. There are some kind of friendship you make. Those people will never inspire you. They will never motivate you to have your own dreams. They only want you to be behind them and just worship them now and then. No, when you know you can also be, they don't have two heads. They only have one head as you have. So you shouldn't compliment a lot of people just to feel better. No, make them feel better the moment you are with them, but just focus on yourself as well. And trust me, it's going to work for you. It's going to work for you. Be happy with what you have now. Be happy with what you have. You don't want to have what I have. You don't know what I did to get there. You don't know what the other person did to get there. So just be happy that you have the ability and that you have the grace of God and you have the opportunity to live and to pursue your dream. Trust me, you are going to be the happiest person on earth. It doesn't take a snap of finger to be self-confident. It doesn't take a snap of finger to be happy in the place you are. But you just have to learn it. You really need to grow in you that this is me. I don't want to be anybody. I want to have my success. So yeah, I think I've talked enough. That is the end of this video. I hope you guys like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video. It means a lot to me. And as always, don't forget to do you. Stay pretty, stay blessed, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Ciao.